Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the cloth and paper sub. I believe this is for, well, let's see, it's mid-July now, so I think this was the June box. That would make sense, right? So this is what the box looks like. This is the cloth and paper subscription. It does not come with the pen. I mean, you can order the pen, I just didn't get the pen. This is my second month getting this subscription, and I have already peeked at it. I didn't watch anything online, but I did open the box, and I didn't have time to film it, so I literally just could not wait. So, here's what it comes with. The first interesting thing is this timer, a 60-minute visual timer and a dry erase card. This is some sort of like timing thing where you schedule a certain amount of time. This would be great if you're at like a place where you go to do like paperwork and stuff like that, or if you're in school or something and you're studying. I don't know how much I'll use this. I do use the Fly Lady and time 15 minutes of decluttering, so maybe I could use it for that. This is the little dry erase board that it comes with. I do have this by my computer, which is a dry erase board, and it has a little pen in there. So I could set that up next to that, and I believe you just open it like so, sets like that, and then you turn it. It's very, very basic. So you turn it like that, and then it's just gonna go off, and you can set it for, I think, to make that noise or not. Okay, see, there's the alarm on and off. It's interesting. I've had it for a while. I have not used it yet. Now that doesn't mean that it's not going to be great, but we'll see. Okay, so there's the timer. It also came with this pen, which is, does it say? Doesn't say what this pen is for, or that it came in, but I like it. It's heavy. It's a good weight. It's a Zebra G450. It's got a super nice weight to it. I'm definitely going to use this pen. I'm going to put that in my book right now. And these are the inserts that it came with. Like I said, I opened this before, so I'm not going to have that initial, ooh, I love this. Although, some of this stuff is very pretty. These are the vertical weekly, like your, what is this called? Vertical weekly, no, these are the motif dashboards. 2022 vertical weekly SS. What is that? Vertical weekly inserts for July and August. Okay. Where is, okay, this must be the other one. Vertical weekly Sunday start of August. This is for my personal size, so you can pick whatever size planner you have. These are definitely gonna go on my planner. These are very pretty. This is for August. And then these are the inserts. They're goal inserts, so you have your goal, your intention, and bills. And then you have your monthly, important dates, some notes, and you have the very faintly next month. And then, oh, these are weeklies. Okay, so these are weeklies for the month of July and August. That's very cool. This is the July one. That's the front, and then it's the same inside. You know what? I better get to using those because I believe they're probably dated, so I better get on that. This is a weekly schedule undated insert. Are these dated? Yeah, these are dated, so I'm gonna have to use these. I better put them in there right now. These are weekly schedule undated inserts. Monday start, hourly schedule, weekly task list, and graph notes. So it looks like this. You have the graph on the inside. You have your weekly schedule. I like this hourly. Sorry if you can hear my little puppy. He's just dead asleep behind me. So cute. But he's not going to listen to me telling him to move. So I do apologize. So this is just a weekly schedule with hourly for the day, and it's undated. I like that too. I will definitely use that. Then this is I think this is the dry erase board. Oh, this is the tracker board, which I think you can use your dry erase on. It says, tracker board is dry erase compatible. So this is it. You can use your dry erase. I feel like you can check it off, the task, and then it says 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I think that's how this Pomodoro technique works. I'm gonna have to look into that, but I like that. This is the Pomodoro technique, which is just a divider. These are the sticky notes, and they are transparent, which is not my favorite because I don't like taking out a different pen that I'm going to normally write with, and I don't usually like the way these pens write. If anybody has an idea of a pen that actually writes good on top of these transparent sticky notes, comment down below and let me know. Like, I have the Sharpie one, which I'm not crazy about. They're just too thick. I feel like I've tried them all, but if you know of any, please let me know. Comment down below. These are the sticky notes. I love the design, the grid. Very minimalist, very pretty. And I think this is the last thing in there. Highlighter sticker set, transparent, has 24 stickers in it. This is cool also. Is this what's, oh, I see, these are the extras. Okay, oh wow, there's a lot more in here than I thought. So this is what they are. You have like a little checklist for bullet journaling. This is the other, it's hard to see with the glare. Just little page flags, and then they repeat again. And that's about it for this. Does it say on here what, well, it's got to be the June boxes. It gives you July and August. So June 2022 planner subscription stationery box. I like it. It's expensive. It's like, I think it comes out by the time shipping and everything, it's like $35. I don't know how much longer. Oh, you get this every single month as your August, June, July, whatever month it is. You get the monthly on this card, which I love, but it is, like I said, almost $40 a month, which is a lot. I feel like if you just decided to get whatever you wanted from Cloth and Paper for $40 a month, that might be a better way to go. And that's what I said last month, but I kept the box anyway because I do love me a surprise. Yes, I do. So this is the June Cloth and Paper subscription box unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was super quick, but I'm trying to get these done in and out so you don't have to listen to me ramble and you can just see the stuff. So I hope everybody has a great day, and please come back. And if you like it, please like, subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up. All of it really helps. I'm trying to up my subscriber count, so anybody who would like to subscribe, I really, really, really would appreciate it. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.